In this video I will show you how to establish a warranty claim on the Hilltip portal. Go to hilltip.com, choose Dealer Login, and log in to your account. Choose My Products, and then choose Warranty Claims. Choose New Warranty Claim. Choose which user that issued the warranty claim. Choose the registered product which the warranty concerns. If you can't find the product, make sure you have registered the product. Add obligatory information about the warranty, such as item number, quantity, credit type, and describe the problem. Uploading a picture is not required, but it helps us solve the warranty claim faster. Choose Save. The warranty claim will be given a specific RMA ID number. You can see the status and the conclusion of the warranty claim from your warranty claims page.